How's it, guys? Welcome to my channel. I am bringing a haul to you guys from my heart to yours. If you are like me and you love some Hello Kitty, I adore Hello Kitty. I have been using Hello Kitty for many, many years. We used to have a store right down the street, so a Sanrio store. Awesome. But that is no more, and it's so sad. Wah. But yeah, but there's always Sanrio.com. But these are from jetpens.com, and it is the 6 different styles of Hello Kitty or Sanrio brand. I guess they did a collaboration basically with the KuraToga Uni pencil company. I've been using the KuraToga Uni pencils, mechanical pencils, for a couple years now. I love them. They're self-sharpening pencils. So, and of course you can refill the lead as well. So, let's get going. All of them are 0.5 except these two, and I'll start with them. This one is 0.3 lead, again, self-sharpening. And you know, the Sanrio, if you're not familiar, the Sanrio characters, obviously this is from Japan, but they all have different characters, and all the different characters have their own names. So this is Kuropi. I do have something. I have an address book with this little fella on it. So, and I've had it for over 20 years. So, he's so cute. I just had to. You know, if you love Hello Kitty, I mean, you just have to. And I use this brand of pencils in particular. I mean, come on. That's a no-brainer. So 0.3 lead in that one and 0.3 lead in this one. And this beauty is called Cinema Roll. Super cute. I should take these out of the package and just show you. They slip right out. Okay, Kuropi. I'll do extreme close-ups for you. Look at his little eyeballs. Can you not? He is so adorable. Just the most precious little thing ever. Has his little clouds and umbrellas. So cute. Focus. There you go. All right, next is Cinema Roll. Look how cute. There she is right there. Very cute. So adorable. Okay. And then I will go ahead and take these out of their packages as well. Okay, next we have Pom Pom Purin, which is this little fella. Here's the back of the package, so if you want to see. And all of these, rest of these are 0.5 millimeter lead. So this one's yellow. So cute. A paw, glasses, a camera, a stamp, a cloud, some like tea, an airplane, a shoe. So this is precious, absolutely. I just adore it. Okay, next is Pikachu. Right there. There you go. And he is just showing you his little okole. You see that right there? part of my finger right here, I have a boo-boo. I put my recipe binder on top of it and it scrunched my little finger. Look how cute. So precious. And each one has their respective names on it. So there's Pikachu. And here is Hello Kitty, my favorite. Well, one of my favorites. I don't know if I can choose between this one and the next one because they've always been my top choices. I guess Hello Kitty would be number one. This is based, all of her friends are based off of her. So, little bows. I used to wear little Hello Kitty bows in my hair in my 30s. Oh, the places will go. And then here is my Melody. My favorite. Hello Kitty and my Melody are my favorites. And she is pink. Look at her. I mean, you know. To me, this is what Kawaii is all about. Cute. Kawaii just means cute, but, you know, those Kawaii characters are all about Hello Kitty, Sanrio. Love it. Look at those hearts. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So you get 6 different ones. Green, blue, yellow, lavender, red, and pink. I am super excited about these, and you'll be definitely seeing these in my planners that I use, and I use a myriad of planners, so I am super excited about that. And I hope this inspires you guys to write and to journal and to use them in your planners and do your documenting and your storytelling and all that fun, good kind fun stuff. Just the sky is the limit. So I hope this inspires you and motivates you, and I thank you ever so kindly for watching. I hope if you like this video, you do take into consideration subscribing to my channel, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Peace.